The second way is here khadi zabar, khadi zir, and ulta pesh. You can read this letter ulta pesh, khadi pesh. Okay. I hope you are doing well. So welcome to my channel Quran Learning Zone. So today we will start from the seventh lesson of Noorani Qaida, and this lesson name is Haruf Saghira. Okay, like small letters. You can see here in this lesson we will read three signs: small alif, small ya, and small waw. And you can read these letters in a second way, and the second way is here. I'll show you this one. The second way is here. 1 second. Yes, the second way is here khadi zabar, khadi zir, and ulta pesh. You can read this letter ulta pesh, khadi pesh. Okay, these three signs you can read in a two pairs. Like somebody read it fatha tawila, kasra tawila, and dhamma tawila. But we need to follow the khadi zabar, khadi zir, and ulta pesh. Okay, so now you read with me. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Ba khadi zabar ba. Its length just 1 second. Okay, these three letters khadi zabar, khadi zir, and ulta pesh. These three signs length is equal to 1 second. Okay, otherwise khadi zabar length is equal to alif, and khadi zir length is equal to ya, and ulta pesh length is equal to wow. But if you convert in the time, then its length 1 second. Okay, so you make it longer 1 second these letters. That is very easy, you can do it easily. So now you read with me. Ba khadi zabar ba, ya khadi zabar ya, ra khadi zabar ra, mim khadi zabar ma. You practice with me like that. That is very easy. Lam khadi zabar la, and the next one is here waw khadi zabar wa, noon khadi zabar na, and the next one is here hamza khadi zabar a, ha khadi zabar ha, and the next ain khadi zabar a, and the next one is here ha khadi zabar ha, and the next one is here ghain khadi zabar gha. Next is also here kha khadi zabar kha, ta khadi zabar ta, and the next one is here sa khadi zabar sa, jim khadi zabar ja, and the next one dal khadi zabar da, and the next one is dal khadi zabar za, and the next za khadi zabar za. Okay, the next one is here sin khadi zabar sa, shin khadi zabar sha, and the next one is here صاد khadi zabar sa, dad khadi zabar da, and the next ta khadi zabar ta, and the next one is here za khadi zabar za, fa khadi zabar fa, and the next qaf khadi zabar ka, and the next one is here kaf khadi zabar ka. Okay, so these are khadi zabar. Okay, and the next one is here hamza khadi zir e. Okay, I told you that before, its length is equal to ya. Okay, like if I'll show you here something, you can read it easily these letters. That is not a difficult. I'll show you in a simple shape. Like here is hamza, like this one. Okay, you can see here a small size of khadi zir, and the next one is here ha. Okay, and you see on the bottom here is a khadi zir, and the next one is here wow. Okay, here is a khadi pesh, and ulta pesh. Which one is easy for you? You can read it. Okay. And the next one is here. Ha. Same letter, same sign on top of it. Khadi pesh, and you can read it ulta pesh. So the next one is here. Hamza also. Okay. Hamza ulta pesh. U. Okay. So this is the shape of these letters. Okay, if it is a difficult for you, then you follow these letters. Okay, Hamza khariz, now you read with me. Hamza kharizir e, ha kharizir he, and waw ulta pesh wu, ha ulta pesh u, Hamza ulta pesh u. So this is the seventh lesson, and you make it longer this sign just 1 second. Okay, this is a longer sign, but you don't make it a long like 4 to 5 second or 3 to 4 second. You just make it longer 1 second, and please you practice this lesson very carefully. That is very easy lesson. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi.